VLC Media Player is one of the best free video players available. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install it on Windows 10. Open any web browser on your Windows 10 computer and go to Google. In the search bar, type VLC Player and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first result from videolan.org. This is the official website for VLC Media Player, maintained by the VideoLAN organization. Once the homepage loads, you'll see many download options according to the operating system you have. But for this video, we will download a Windows file. Simply click the Download VLC button. The download progress will begin, so just wait until it completes. Once the download completes, open your Downloads folder. Then, double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. The installer will open with a language selection screen. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. English is selected by default for most users. The VLC Media Player setup wizard will now appear. This welcome screen provides basic information about the installation process. So, click Next to begin. You'll now see the license agreement screen. VLC is open source software, licensed under the GNU General Public License. Review the terms if you'd like, then click Next to accept and continue. This screen allows you to customize which components you'd like to install. For most users, the default options are perfect. So, I'll click on Next to proceed. You can now choose where to install VLC on your computer. Unless you have a specific reason to change this, leave it as the default, then click Install to begin the installation process. The installer will now extract and install VLC Media Player on your system. In this case, the installer will copy all necessary files, create shortcuts, and configure file associations. Once installation is complete, you'll see a completion screen and the VLC shortcut added to desktop. There's a checkbox that says Run VLC Media Player. If you want to launch VLC immediately, keep this box checked and click on Finish. When you first open VLC, it may ask you about privacy settings and whether you want to allow automatic metadata retrieval for media information. Configure these settings according to your preferences. You now have VLC Media Player fully installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 computer.